The Hazrapara Senior Basic School in Kakrachhara under the Mungiakami School Inspectorate has instead become a symbol of administrative neglect and academic mockery.
Local investigations have revealed a chaotic state of affairs at the school, which serves roughly 35 students with 1 primary and 3 upper primary teachers. Parents allege that despite the official start time, attendance rolls were not called even past noon, leaving empty classrooms while young students wandered around the campus unsupervised. The school in charge vehemently denied to speak to the report when asked regarding the school. Look at the visuals of Hazrapara SB School.
স্কুল কোনো সমস্যা আসেনি ঠিকভাবে ক্লাস শেষ হয়নি কিছু বলেন না আলু আর সয়াবিন আর ডিম ডিম রান্না করে সিদ্ধ দিয়ে দিয়েছেন কেরে ভাত এটি খাওয়াইছেন ভাত খাইছে এই ভাত খাইছে পুরা ভাত কইলে হে যাবনি
Reported by Hiranmoy from Chini, Khorang.